my Niue family.
Thank you. Any words, Julie?
Happy birthday. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to you.
Whakalo whātumako. I'm here at the Bruce Mason Centre with the Matuatane. We're here for my sister's graduation. She's graduating as the first Niue psychologist. Yay! Yeah, we'll just see if we'll have cameras in here. Okay, just got told we're going upstairs to the upper level. First psychologist, Niue psychologist. Exciting. This is, we're in Takapuna, Bruce Mason Theatre. It's pretty busy. Okay. Flash. Paikupu for Massey.
Hola here to Kimtorua. Kisikisibai ki video nai. Hoko mai tai ki Bruce Mason Centre i Takapuna. Ke moe tohi mahuinga ia he tōna tāmako. Anne Marie tupitoria hi Marianga Eric. Ko ia koe tagata whakamua mai Niue ni moe tohi noi. Ai katoa toa iau e tau hingoa he tohi ni moa kai more haki kurunga ka he mera whamahoni ko moe tau tō. Ai whakawera he whakamia nama hea tua tau tōru tō riu ki whireweia.
Congratulations, Massey. I'm really happy that you graduated.
Chancellor, I have the honour to present for the Postgraduate Diploma in Psychological Practice the candidates I am about to name: Anne-Marie Tupole Ahi Hoyt Eric.
Hake ke pua la wilunga, I fo ke pala le ponua. Ami mai e matongi, tungi e mawhala. Ke tu tangala. Kope, tau ue. Whano, ko mau tolu nei ka tau tangata. Ka mau ue aua koe mongonoi. Hey! Tukulua!
Amazing. 7-year journey, 20-year journey. Yeah, 7 years to become a psychologist. Yeah, but I got my first degree 20 years ago.
From pretty hectic in here.
Hey, just want to say, Bulunaka, congratulations to Massey on your graduation. Nita ka ng burong balaw, kaya nalolong ni Kalo Naka.
Awesome graduation.
Where do you get this from? She's like, yep, it's my dad. Where are you now? I'm not going to study.
Yeah.
She was like, oh yeah, even the chocolate she does. Awesome.
Niue to the world.
We'll celebrate you tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you so much. We'll stay in touch now. Yes, definitely. But yes, definitely. Oh, thank you.
Awesome graduation. How was it, Mass?
Unbelievable. I love it. Thank you, family. Anne-Marie. Thank you so much.
Upstairs.
Thank you, everybody. Oh, wasn't the colour awesome?
Did you hear it from that?
Yes. Loud and clear. Yes. Awesome.
That's how good it is. Yeah, we're in the lift now. Motor lift. You're just so excited. Thank you. Hey.
Hello. Thank you.
Any words, Julie?
Happy birthday. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year to you. Thank you, John. Congratulations, Massey. And to our future graduates, Harry, that guy, other guy. Yeah, that's it. What'd you have fun?
Whakau kia tua ma misi ke hawa tau roto matala mo hawa tau whakauka. Ke whanu he aonga, ke moua, e tuhi au ku moua hea hanoi. Whakamai ronga rahi a ia. Ne moua ai. Ko koe tangata Niue whakamua, ko moua i tuhi nei. What's the name of the degree?
It's the postgraduate diploma
Koe
in psychology.
koe tuhi ni moe misi, koe postgraduate in psychology.
Aia.
Aia, koe lai ma misi, ke hao a whakauka. Pia fōki ni me tāne hao ni whai. Whangai a koe ke tau a haosi mo le me ke tau whanau, me unu tau mena tui, me whakamea ai kain. Nā kai, i tā ke tangata, ai fia koe si nā kai mo e tuhi hao. Aia, whakaui ke o mua tokoua, wāti ka koe ma Anne-Marie. Le me ke mo he tua koe, mo hao a whaoa, ke munina fōki tau ngahua ni hangau ki ai. Aia, munine aho.
We are in Sylvia Park now, figuring out where we're going to go to eat to celebrate Massey's graduation. First Psychologist, Niue. It's Liam. Any words for your mum, Liam?
Congratulations, Mom. You did very well and I'm proud of you.
Nice. Thanks, Liam. Sweet. What are you hoping to eat? What are you hoping to eat now?
Whatever there is to eat.
I'm hoping for steak. Anything.
Well, at least anything if it's good.
Yeah, that's right. That's to be tasty.
You know, we're more whāna koe loa lahi e puhana ke hoka ke aho nei. Thank you so much for coming and sharing in the stage with me. So, he matuki pēne ke whakahauri we, okay, there's just a lot to take in. I think the food is coming, so we'll have a
Whakau e lahi mamisi ki hau nei tō tahi kuala, whakau e whoki kua hoko mai a Julie, whakau e whoki ki a Gus, le meki whamitaki a koe e si moa Kau tui tu mahu hau. Come on, guys. Congratulations to you, guys. You did well. Yep. Pakawalahi. Thank you, John and Ari, for coming. Pakawalahi with my man. It was really, really good. And also Massey and Yvonne. Yeah. So now we're eating. Kaya motora eh. Shout to Massey eh. And many more time we're gonna have this same eating place, right? We don't have to book, we just order. That's so awesome.
Just finished my Papa Rich meal. Thanks, miss. The meal was delicious.
Welcome. Thank you for the awesome Psychologist today, and thank you and Aru for coming today, and thank you everybody for who came today for me. Well, I walked across the stage. I think it was 20 years ago.
I love you, Mom.
I know, I love you too, son. 20 years ago, I walked across the stage at USP in Fiji for my Diploma in applied psychology. So 20 years to this year. So that was back in 2002. It's 2022 now, and I've walked across the postgraduate diploma in psychological practice. And what that means is that I'm qualified to register as a psychologist here in New Zealand. So it's been 20 years, the journey to today, but it's been 7 years of specific study to get into this program. So really grateful to everyone who supported me. Heaps and heaps and heaps of support over those past many years. And I'm just so grateful, and all glory to God. Everything is nothing without Him, His guidance and blessing and love. So thank you so much, family, friends, my workplace, Spectrum Care. It's been a long journey. My Niue family, just everybody. I just think of my grandparents on the stage. 20 years ago, my Nana Wani was with my mum. So today I was just thinking about everyone who's